Getting this job here at Copart. Alright guys, so been on the road a bit. We got this Copart loaded up, this 96 F250 with a 7.3 turbo diesel in it. Taking it to a guy, he's getting his dealer license, and this is one of the things he won at the auction, I guess you could say. So we're getting this done today. Happy Veterans Day to those. Thank you for your service. Appreciate it. Since due to Veterans Day, don't work, I'm off work, so I figured I'd hustle and won this bid here and getting this done for the guy. It's not too bad of a gig, hauling stuff, power only, travel trailers, boats, pretty much anything I can get my hands on that I can run locally here to my area in northern Ohio. Definitely not a, I wouldn't say it's lucrative, you know what I mean? I make a couple bucks, but you know, at this point I'm not doing it full time, so don't quit your day job kind of thing. Notice I'm not in the 6.0, not too many videos as late of that. That is for sale. I'm working on selling the 6.0, and if it doesn't sell by the spring, I'm gonna probably put it up on Turo, T-U-R-O, and rent it out. So that's the game plan right now for that truck. Just I've had it 7 years, and it nickel and dimes me way too much. It kills my profits. I mean, it made me money, don't get me wrong, but it's in my experience, I just haven't had a very good luck with it for it being a reliable 6.0. Even with all the time and money and studs and EGR deletes and all the work that's been done to it over the years, it just doesn't want to be reliable. At this point, I'm pretty sure I got, you know, as I've mentioned in previous 6.0 engine videos, that I feel like I got a limit of a 6.0 engine. So, and at this point, it's the state of the engine. If anything happens to it at this point, I'm either scrapping the truck, because I'm not gonna go buy a new crate motor, because that's probably like $5 grand for a crate motor. Try and find a good used one is, you know, a rabbit hole in itself, because you don't know, because, you know, it's not going to be studded and deleted, and there's going to be none of that done to whatever you end up with. So then you're going to be down that rabbit hole again, doing everything you've already done to the engine you had. Well, we're a little off topic here, but got about another hour in my trip, get this thing delivered and get Like the other video I got going for you guys for a Jeep I'm fixing up for the other business. I also run an auto shop and fix cars. And when I'm not fixing cars or running on the road, I'm got my day job. When I'm not doing that, I'm looking for another stream of income. I'm looking at getting into the rental business. I've got trailers and trucks, and so that's the next thing I'm going to be working on over the cold season here, the slow season. I'm going to work on starting in this case, a third business, and work on that. Multiple streams of income is how you get it done. Can't have all your eggs in one basket. I mean, that's in this time and age, you can't. You just can't. There's not. I mean, unless you're lucky enough and you've got everything in check. But the economy isn't working in my favor, and I've always ran multiple streams. But don't want to talk you guys' ear off here. We'll catch up on the next video.